Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asad Yaqub and here I am once again with review of 23rd March IELTS exam. There is a surprise also. One of my students, Mrs. Kashif from Australia, she sent me this box. So we are going to open the box as well towards the end, and I'm very thankful to you, Mrs. Kashif, that you sent me this box. Now I don't know what is inside the box. At the end we'll open the box. Anyways guys, today's test I received the review from Saudi Arabia, and in the morning I received a review from Malaysia, and now I received a review from UAE. So there are two students, they appeared in IDP and British Council, and I'm going to share this review. I know this is too early for that, and all the people who are going to send me their review subsequently, I'm going to share that in the comments of this video. So please read my comments very carefully. Rather, there will be my own pinned comment, a very long pinned comment. There you can find all the reviews. Whoever is going to send me the message later on, I'm going to put it there in my own pinned comment, so you can just see it there, because it's too early. It's only like 3:30 p.m. Pakistan time, so I'm just making this review for you. Anyways, the first student who appeared in IELTS, and she sent me all that, she was from Saudi Arabia, and I'm not going to name her. So she took her IELTS from Saudi Arabia, and that was from IDP. Yes, IDP test. So let's see what happens in that. She said, "Hello sir, I just came back from my listening, reading and writing test. All went well, Alhamdulillah." All right, that's good. Listening speed was fast and there was a map in the second part. So the first thing is speed was fast and there was a map in the second part, and then MCQs in third and fill in the blanks in fourth. So MCQs, fill in the blanks, and there was a map and all that stuff. Reading was relatively as compared to what I practiced. So relatively what, like different and all that. True false not given, they were slightly confusing, and they were in part 1 and part 3, okay, and there was a diagram to label in part 3 also. So in reading part 3 there was a diagram, in reading part 1 and part 3 there were true false not given. Okay, and then first para was regarding butterflies. All right, the first passage was about butterflies, second was about CRS. CRS is something, I don't know exactly about that, and third was about greenhouse effect. So the same thing, science, technology, research, innovation. Okay, that's good. And writing task 1 was diagram. After a long time, there was a diagram instead of map, and this diagram was about showing a general system of caves. Figure 1 was about a general system of caves, and figure 2 was about the changes. So there was a diagram instead of map, instead of graphic information, there was diagram, and this was about 1960 to 1980. And task 2, that was a discussion essay. The topic was, some people believe that increasing number of cars is most major problem in cities. One side of the discussion. While others believe that there are some other major issues. Discuss both views and give your opinion. If you remember my prediction, anyways, I said opinion essay, and then I said discussion essay, then I said problem solution, advantages, disadvantages, double question and all that. So see, my number 2 became number 1 in IDP exam in Saudi Arabia. This student took her IELTS test from Saudi Arabia. So discuss both views and give your opinion, and she says it was very much according to your prediction. Okay, I don't take any credit for anything. Okay, let's go on. Then there is another student. She's from United Arab Emirates, and she appeared in her IELTS test from British Council. So she says, "Hello sir, got done with my test. Listening was nice one. Section was section 1. Listening was nice. One section was fill in the blanks. Section 2 was 11 to 16, there was a diagram, and 17 to 20 choose from the list, and section 3 was 20 to 26 MCQs, and 27 to 30 was again choose from the list, and this was most hard. Okay, so in British Council it was a different test. Most hard part in section 3, that's what I said, there would be a surprise somewhere, so that was the surprise. 27 to 30 was again choose from the list, most hard part. Then section 4 was again fill in the blanks, that's what we call sentence completion. This was listening, so she says listening was easy, reading was tough, writing was easy too, that's her verdict. And this test was conducted by British Council in UAE, United Arab Emirates, and I got this feedback from there. She took her general training IELTS test. So letter was to a friend, tell her about the damage done by the storm, and essay was on fast food is becoming popular, but some people think it's bad lifestyle. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Now see that. Agree, disagree essay came in British Council, and discuss both views and give your opinion. This came in IDP. Okay, so 23rd March test was not, I mean, we cannot say it was difficult, we cannot say it was easy, it was a moderate test. So she says I wrote 2 paragraphs for agreement, 1 in contrast and all that. Okay, well, let's go on. And then she sent me some answers of listening. Now again I tell you this test was conducted by British Council. So she just sent me some answers. She said for question number 1 the answer was a number. Question 2 practical. I'm telling you once again this test was conducted by British Council UAE, right? So I'm telling you the answers of listening. Number 2 practical, number 3 gardening, number 4 English, number 5 transport, number 6 bus, number 7 evening, and she said I was confused, it was evening or evenings. Number 8 back, number 9 tools, number 10 15th October, and then section 2 there was a diagram. Number 1 boys locker room F, number 12 yoga behind reception J, number 13 girls locker room behind behind cafe, and number 14 tennis court, and that was I front of back door. So these are the answers that she just remembers and she shares them with me and all that stuff. Thank you very much indeed. I didn't take permission to say the name, that's why I'm not saying the name. So very good student of mine from UAE, and she's appeared in British Council IELTS. So after this I'm going to receive overwhelming response from Pakistan, India and other countries, and I'm going to put that all in the comment, in my comment, which is going to be pinned on this video. So please don't forget to watch my pinned comment, rather you can copy and paste it, and there you can find a lot of reviews from my students in Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Nepal and all that. So once again, let's open this box which is sent by my student Mrs. Kashif, and Mrs. Kashif is my IELTS student from Australia. Before this, one of my students from Australia, Harry, he sent me flowers and all that. So I mean, this is something I would call it, I'm so lucky. I'm a lucky teacher that my students, they respect me, they give me a lot of honor and all that. So let's just open and we see what is inside, huh? Once again, thank you very much, Mrs. Kashif. You are too good, huh? Wow. Thank you very, very, very much. I mean, my eyes are going to fill with tears and all that stuff. Thank you very much indeed. I mean, this is all respect, love I'm getting from my students. Thank you very much indeed. This is so good. All right. And then I got, wow, I got another shirt. Ooh, my summer is going to be fantastic. Yeah, I'm going to wear this summer. Okay, and I'm going to enjoy. Thank you very, very, very much, Mrs. Kashif. This is so good, right? I can put it aside. I can put this one aside. Aha! Coffee! That's what I love the most. So this is Moccona coffee, and I love this coffee very much. Thank you very much. I mean, not this coffee actually. I love coffee very much. So Mrs. Kashif, so kind of you, so kind of you. This is something amazing. All right, let me put all these things here and then I can just show you. Right, let's put the box away. There are so many things. Okay, and then I got this perfume. Wow, this is Allure Homme. I know French homme is for men and femme is for women. So pour homme and pour femme. Wow, thank you very much indeed. This is so great. And then, wow, Mustain and Adeen, my children are going to like this. Mrs. Kashif told me that there are few things for my kids. So this is celebrations and these are the candies. I love candies as well, by the way. I'll have the candies too. Okay, let's put this one here and let's put the coffee over here. Right? Yeah, Moccona should be there. My daughter Reena said she likes M&Ms very much, so we've got this M&Ms as well. Wow, that's lovely. Fantastic. And this, oh, a wallet. Mrs. Kashif, thank you very, very much. So much you sent me. I mean, I was not expecting that much, but so kind of you. This is a lovely wallet. Right, Colorado. See that? Okay, thank you very, very much. Jazakallah. I would say Jazakallah. So nice of you, Mrs. Kashif. This is, I mean, you come all the way from Australia to Pakistan and you brought all these things for me. This is really, really amazing. I'm really thankful to you for all the things you've done. Thank you very, very much. And there is a clutch. Yes, you told me this is for my wife, for Madam. So let me show you the clutch as well. Here it is. It's not Jen's, so I'm going to give it to my wife. Well, thank you very much, Mrs. Kashif. It's really, really too much. I can't thank you enough. Jazakallah. Very nice of you. Thank you very, very much. So guys, thank you very much indeed. And I'm going to finish this video here. I'm going to get more feedback from you, and definitely I'm going to put your feedback in the comment of this video, and I will update my comment from time to time so that you get to know what happened in IELTS test. Those who appeared in 23rd March IELTS exam, I wish them all the best. May you get your desired bench score. May all of you get your required bench score. And when your result turns out, you got to inform me when your result is out. You must inform me about your result. Thank you very much. Once again, thank you very much, Mrs. Kashif from Australia, for all this care, this respect, this honor. It is something great for me, and I'll remember this thing throughout my life. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best, and I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, you can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.